Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the product key and confirming it's transferable. First, access the old computer. Run Produ key or similar to extract the 25-character key from the registry, or find a certificate of authenticity sticker, box documentation, or your original purchase email. Once you have it, make sure to copy it into a secure password manager and verify the characters match. Mistakes here cause activation errors. If the old PC is dead, image the drive or check cloud, emails you used when buying Windows. Next, prepare the computer you'll activate. Make sure the Windows edition on the target machine matches the key. Home keys won't work on Pro, so install the correct edition if needed. If you can, uninstall the old activation using slmgr/up on the original device. That frees some OEM or retail licenses mentally, though OEM often remains tied. On the new PC, open Settings Update and Security Activation and enter the 25-character key or run slmgr. VBS/IPK followed by slmgr. VBS. Finally, ensure activation completes and resolve common problems. Once you enter the key, Windows should activate online. If it doesn't, run the activation troubleshooter in Settings and sign in with the Microsoft account tied to your digital license. Make sure the old machine is deactivated if required. For OEM keys that can't transfer, you'll get an error. If activation still fails, gather purchase proof and contact Microsoft support. They can often help if you explain the hardware change. If all else fails, purchase a new retail key to avoid future issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.